In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a single quote in Excel. If you need to place single quotation marks around text in Excel, there's a very simple formula you can use. This is especially useful when you're preparing values for export, building formatted text strings, or creating content that needs to include punctuation exactly as shown. For this example, type the following formula into a cell: equals char open parenthesis 39, close parenthesis, ampersand, C8, ampersand, char open parenthesis 39, close parenthesis, ampersand, char open parenthesis 44, close parenthesis. What this formula does is build a custom text string step by step. The char function returns a specific character based on its numeric code. In this case, char 39 creates a single quote. Then, the ampersand joins that quote to the value in cell C8. After that, another char 39 adds a closing single quote. Finally, char 44 adds a comma at the end. So if cell C8 contains a word or value, the result will appear with single quotes around it, followed by a comma. This is helpful if you're formatting data for another system or preparing a list where each item needs to be wrapped in quotes. One important thing to remember is that this formula displays the content as text. That means Excel is creating a formatted output rather than changing the original value inside cell C8. So your source data stays the same, and the new cell simply presents it in the format you need. If you want the formula to work properly, make sure the referenced cell, in this example C8, contains the value you want to wrap in single quotes. Also, be careful when typing the formula, since missing an ampersand or parenthesis can cause an error. If that happens, just recheck each part of the formula carefully. This approach is a quick and reliable way to add single quotes in Excel without typing them manually for every entry. It can save a lot of time when working with long columns of data, especially when you need consistent formatting throughout your spreadsheet. Once you enter the formula, press Enter, and Excel will generate the formatted result automatically. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.